Today, we're taking a closer look at the GarveyTech Disc Harrow Plow, a 5-foot implement built for Category 0 and 1 tractors. This tool is designed for breaking up soil, tackling weeds, and prepping your land for planting. Let's explore its features, performance, pros, and cons, and stick around for the final rating. Let's start off by talking about the design. The GarveyTech Disc Harrow Plow offers robust construction and thoughtful design. 16-inch notch discs, made from hardened steel. These discs are spaced 7.5 inches apart, ideal for breaking up tough soil and cutting through crop residue. Durable steel tubing, built with 2.5x 2.5-inch powder-coated steel tubing to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Easy 3-point hitch connection. Compatible with Category 0 and 1 tractors, it attaches without needing modifications or welding. Cast iron bearings. Oil-fillable spindles with cast iron bearing caps increase durability and reduce wear over time. 16-inch coverage. The Harrow's wide working width allows you to cover large areas efficiently. Now, let's review how well this disc performs. The GarveyTech Disc Harrow performs well in various conditions. Whether you're working with compacted soil, managing weeds, or preparing seed beds. Its notched discs handle wet, heavy soils effectively, and the adjustable angles provide flexibility for different field needs. With its simple hitch system, attaching and detaching it from your tractor is quick and hassle-free. Now it's time to look at the pros and cons, starting from the pros. Durable build. Powder-coated steel and hardened discs ensure longevity. Efficient soil preparation. Effectively breaks up compacted soil and manages crop residue. Easy attachment, compatible with standard tractor hitch systems for quick setup. Wide working width, covers large areas, saving time during field work. Let's look at the cons now. No assembly instructions. Users may need some mechanical knowledge for setup. Heavy weight may require additional effort to maneuver when not attached to a tractor. Requires lift compatibility, best suited for tractors with a compatible motorized lift system. After evaluating its features, pros and cons, and user experience, we rate the GarveyTech Disc Harrow Plow 4 out of 5 stars. It's a durable and efficient tool for small to medium scale farming, though the lack of assembly guidance is a drawback. What do you think? Would this implementation fit into your farm setup? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews and farming tips. Happy farming!